How's it going, everyone? Natalie here from Serpwizz, and we are back with our last, for now, video for our Ahrefs series, which is all about website traffic checker, which belongs to their extra tools and features that come with registering for a paid subscription with Ahrefs. So let me just go and give you an instruction on where to find that one. So here, if you have been following this series, you would know that we have finished doing dedicated videos for all of these free SEO tools as well as the core tools. And now we're going through the extra tools and features of Ahrefs. And we are down to the last one right here, which is traffic checker. So quickly, let's go back to our main topic for today. And website traffic checker, as how the term is implying, it is to monitor your traffic estimates for any website or web page. So here, under example, Ahrefs is actually highlighting on how you can use this tool to leverage your website or your business against your competitors. So here, as you can see, the example is using Site Explorer, and then over to this section, you get the results for the organic traffic and traffic value of this specific website, which is what they're using is ahrefs.com. And the results, other than numbers, Ahrefs also incorporated visualizations all throughout their tools in the form of graphs. So these are very useful, especially for people who prefer visuals over numbers. So that's a good touch by Ahrefs, and you would see those results right here, very accurate results, which you can filter according to country or the time duration that you want to see. Here you also get a list of countries. With Ahrefs, there are over 171 countries covered, so you can be sure to find results relevant to those countries right here, and then your top 10 competitors as well. So it also allows you to monitor your competitors' best performing content, and maybe you can get ideas or see how you can improve yours by visiting theirs. And that's very important because you would then get to know which content of theirs is getting or generating the most traffic, and reverse engineer what's working for them so it can also work for you. Or maybe even better, you can leverage yourself and have yours improve so you overtake their results. So that's what it's going to look like. Here you see the top pages and then all these metrics that will be that you can use to your advantage. So that is it. Here you see which sections of their website drive the most traffic with traffic data. So that's the one right here, as well as the keywords that are driving traffic. So you can really enter whatever domain you want here. It can be yours, it can be your competitors, or some website that you're interested in learning about. So you can just input their URL on that part, and you would be able to see the results that are related to that specific domain. And here you can also spy on your competitors' paid traffic, so you see what works for them and what ads they are running to generate the traffic that they are getting. Here you can also take inspiration for your search ads from their ad copies. So if you select ads right here, you would then be given results that are useful to you, as you can also maybe tweak or get inspiration from them so that you can use it also to your advantage, so that you can improve your website's traffic and as well as generate more interest towards your products and services. Here you can also bulk check traffic for multiple websites, so you just list down all the URLs over here, up to 200 websites at once using the batch analysis tool, And this is also another extra tool and features that you can get from Ahrefs. We have done a separate video regarding this one, so if you're interested, definitely check on that. And here you get the metrics as well as the results of this specific list of URLs that you have entered. Here you just get more in-depth results of that search, and basically that's what Traffic Checker does. This tool is very useful for you if you want to improve your SEO performance. Actually, all tools from Ahrefs are very useful and very beneficial to you if you're very conscious of your SEO performance, which you should be if you're running any business online. So that's it for the last extra tool and feature that is included in Ahrefs. Hopefully you enjoy this series, and we will be back again should there be any more topics that we can discuss about Ahrefs and their tools and services. Thank you so much for watching.